Hi everyone, it's Nisha. So today I am going to do some sort of party look. Don't know what. I was going to use the Tati palette and I was very tempted to use the really dark black ones, but then I thought not everyone probably has this palette, so I might just use the glitter from it. But I thought I might use the Soft Glam by Anastasia. I haven't used it for a while, and I don't know, we do something dark and smoky and smouldering. I am going to start with the Makeup Revolution Sculpt and Glow bronzer from here, and this is Desert Sky, and I will just put that in my crease. I wanted something cooler than this for my crease that is not too dark but cool bronze, and I didn't really look around in my stash, but bronzes usually work well. I think I probably would have been better using my Hoola from Benefit, but this will do. So this is not a subtle look, of course. And I used the Sonia G Blender Pro for that. And now I'm taking, I need something flat really. I think I will use the Louise Young LY39 brush, and I'm going to go into Mulberry, which is very, very pigmented. And I'm just going to press it all over my mobile lid. I'm tapping the brush off really well, and I will build it up, otherwise it could be a mess. Just up to my crease. And then with Morphe Aim M330, I will start blending it upwards. And I will keep doing that. Remember, it's better to do it in stages, build it up, than just go in with a lot of fallout. So packing it on, blending it out. This is such a beautiful, rich color. It just, I don't know, it looks almost like suede when you pack it on. It's beautiful. I'm taking back on the Sonia G Blender Pro the burnt orange, which is that one, and I'm just going to go with it quite high up. So I can then blend that mulberry into it. Now on a, this is Morphe with Jaclyn Hill JH42. I am going to wet this brush and put the mulberry quite tightly on my lower lash line, and then I will blend it out, maybe with the burnt orange or sienna. We will see. I'm taking Sonia G Pencil Pro brush, and I will go to burnt orange and go right under that mulberry. I'm applying more of the mulberry on my outer 7 here. Just want this to be the darkest. And go back to blending. I'm going to take the tempera and put it just under my arch of my eyebrow. So now with Tati's palette, I'm going to go to the Matte Memory, which is the very black. I'll wet my brush a bit and I will line my top lash line. I might have to use my magnifying mirror for this. I will also take from Tati's Metallic Aura, and I will just put tiny bit in my inner corner. Now I am going to put black eyeliner in my waterline. And now glitter. So like I said, I could use probably the Poet glitter, which is this one, but I also thought, again, not all of you might have the Tati palette, how about the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Bronze Bell. So this is Bronze Bell, because I don't want the glitter to be very much different color than this. So maybe I put a bit of that and top it off with Tati's glitter, we will see. These are the best thing in the world. So if I just put a bit of that on, and then take Tati's glitter, so it's a bit darker, and it will stick to that as well. And Tati's glitter is so much more multi-dimensional. The colors in it are just divine. This is everything. I mean, you could leave this look without the glitter, but it's a party season and I love glitter. I think it should become a law that we have to wear glitter on a daily basis every time we leave the house. You're not allowed to leave house without glitter on your eyes. That would be very good law. Okay, I am loving that. But yes, these are very good alternative. I forgot that I had them, you know. I probably need to get more different colors. I've got just that one and I've got another color. I can't remember what it is, but they are beautiful. Okay, I will do the lashes now, and I will also probably put false lashes on. For my lashes, I think I'm going to use the Eyelash Emporium Pro in Make a Scene. Do you remember I had this scent in PR and these were my favorite because they are spiky. Therefore it means you can still see all the glitter and all the eyeshadow through it. So I will apply those and then I will be back for my lips. Okay, so eyes are done, very dramatic. For my lips, I'm going to go obviously for something very nude because the eyes are so strong. So I'm going to use Charlotte Tilbury's Iconic Nude. I might mix it a bit with the Love Trap, we will see. And then I will use the Kim KW from Charlotte Tilbury and probably top it off with NARS Turkish Delight. That's like my classic favorite dramatic nude lip. As you can see, I filled in my lips a bit. Then the lipstick will go just sort of in the middle. And I will just pat it in with my fingers. To blend it in with the liner. And then the gloss. And this is the finished look. I really like it. This is my favorite smoky look, although I liked it even without the glitter. My earrings they're quite new actually. They are from Love Rocks. I think they have a website, but I just bought them in my local department store. I think they are really, really nice. I've curled my hair today. I've been doing it quite a lot actually. I quite enjoy the look, and also I can put my hair up, and I like all these little relaxed curls around my face. Okay, my lovelies, so that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. I wish you happy new year and stay fabulous. Bye.